Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Enriching Minds. Today we are going to learn what are the standard forms of rational numbers and how to add of rational numbers. In this video we are going to learn two concepts. Here we are going to learn two different concepts where in rational numbers, standard form and adding of rational numbers. Come on, let's go into this chapter. Standard form of rational numbers. A rational number p by q is said to be as a standard form if q is positive and then p and q have no common divisor than 1 are said to be standard form. This is a basic introduction of standard form. Here let's see what are the methods of standard form. Method. Yeah, in order to express a given rational number in standard form, we first convert it into rational numbers whose denominator is positive, and then we divide its numerator and denominator by their HCF. Yes. Uh, for example, if first I'll explain you this concept by example. For example, if you see um, 21 and 35 can only the HCF of 21 and 35 is 7. Here 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 40, and 7 threes are 21. 21, we got 21 as a numerator, and 7 fours are 28, and 7 fives are 35. 5s are in 3. So 3 by 5, we have to reduce it to its lowest form. This is called the standard form. This is the method how to create it to standard form. 3 by 5 is our answer. Here, now we have learned how to convert it into standard form. Now I'll give you some questions. I'll You may note it down and comment these answers. The next slide I'll show you these answers. 5 by 10, 35 by 45, 18 by 27, 24 by 42, 49 by 56, 20 by 32. Now these are the exercises where you have to convert it into a standard form. This standard form, you may use it in different methods, but you may use the method which is in our book related to it, because it's all in exam. This is the easiest method to use. Solution: 5 by 10, the answer is 1 by 2. You can reduce it to by 2. 5 divided by 2, 10 divided 10 5, both are the HCF of each other. So 35 by 45 can be divided by 7. 35 can be divided by 7, and it can be divided by, both can be divided by 5. So 5 fives are 5 sevens are 35, and 5 45s are 9, and 18 by 27. Here you can divide it by 3 and 6 2. Here, or you can even reduce it to a next lowest form. The lowest form is the 3 again can be the 6 by 9 again can be divided by 3. So 2 by 3 is our answer of the third one. And and here, but if you see here, both the numbers can be divided by 9 also. 9 twos are 18 and 9 threes are 27. So 2 by 3 is our answer of the third one. That's how you have to calculate. In our previous grades, you must be learn how to take HCF and LCM, and you may use that method here. And 24 by 42, here it's 4 by 7. You cannot further divide it. So 24 can be divided by 4. You think so? Yes. It can. 6 are 24, and 42 can be divided by 4. No. So this may be not the correct answer. And 4, and if you say 6 fours are 24, and 6 sevens are 42. This is how here 6 is the highest common factor of these two numbers. And 49 by 56, here is 7 by 8. Both the numbers can be divided by 7. divided by 749. 7 sevens are 49 and 7 eights are 56. So 7 by 56. Sorry, 8. 7 by 8. And 20 by 32 is 5 by 8. Here you can't further divide it, as we know that 5 fours are 20, and sorry, 4 fives are 20 and 4 eights are 32. This is how to convert into its standard form. Now let's see how to add these numbers. Adding of rational numbers. We have two cases in adding of rational numbers. These two cases are different, but the case uh, here the case one tells us where the denominator are in same. You may use this case. We'll see our examples in in our coming video. You may see here, if the both denominators are equal, we have one method where we have to first add the numerators, and a denominator would be same as in the answer statement. In case number 2, where denominators of the given numbers are unequal, here in the case 2 they are unequal. So let's see what are the steps. First, LCM of the denominator of the given rational numbers. Take the LCM. Take the LCM. Step 2. Express each of the given rational number with the above LCM as common denominator. Needs to be the common denominator of the each number. So you have to multiply this each number till you get that. So and step number 3, now add the numerator as shown in the case 1. Here in the case 1, you see the numerator, uh, sorry, denominator as it is, denominator as the LCM, and the numerator as the have to add them and put it as a numerator. If it's a unequal unlike fraction, then you have to convert it to mixed fraction. Now we are done how to learn adding. Now let's see some examples with problems. Exercise of 5 5 by 9 plus minus 13 by 9. 7 7 by minus 11 plus 3 by 11. Minus 2 by minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. 7 7 by minus 12 plus 11 by 18. Minus 3 by 8 plus minus 5 plus minus 5 by 12. 9 by minus 16 plus minus 5 by minus 12. These are the sums where we can now let's see the solutions. 5 by 9 plus minus 13 by 9 is equals to minus 8 by 9. Here if you see, as we see in the first case, written that the 9 as the denominator, it's the common denominator is 9, so the denominator is as it is, and you add these two. We had in previous chapter we had learned integers, so you have to just normally add it as integers and write the answer. The second one, 7 by minus 11 plus 3 by 11 is equals to minus 4. Here we also did the same thing. And minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 3 by 4 here. Here if you see, the denominators are unlike. So here what we do, we take their LCM. 3 and 4 LCM is 12. You convert it to 12 and minus 2 and minus 3. If you add them, you'll get plus 1. So this is how to how to do in the second case, where you learned in addition. And 7 by minus 21 plus 11 by plus 11 plus 11 by 18 is equals to 19 by 54. Minus 3 by 8 plus minus 5 by 12 is equals to minus 19 by 24. 9 by minus 16 plus minus 5 by minus 12 is equals to minus 7 by 48. Yes, this is how where we have learned how to add, and how convert it to this its standard form. Yes. Now we are done with our chapter. I'll see you in the next video uh, about this chapter, how to subtract. Thank you.